guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. We are cooking for Pesach, for the Jewish holiday of Passover, and I'm about to make a braised Moroccan chicken that is chef's kiss, so delicious and perfect for Passover, Pesach, or all year round. And of course I'm going to be using my Tabatchnick chicken broth because it is glatt kosher and kosher for Passover. All of their products are so delicious, so kosher, and really elevate any dish. You guys have seen me cook with them for like years now. They're so good. So I'm going to get into the recipe, and I want you guys to let me know in the comments what other recipes you guys are looking for Passover. What can I help you with? This is what we're going to be having for Seder dinner. So I really recommend it if you are looking for a good Seder meal. But let me know what else I can help you with, what you're looking for, because it's time, guys. It's time to get cooking for Passover. Let's go. So this braised Moroccan chicken dish is actually super easy. It really stars the chicken broth. I'm going to be using this classic wholesome chicken broth from Tabatchnick. It's glatt kosher and kosher for Passover. It is time to prepare for Passover, guys, so make sure to pick up your Tabatchnick classic chicken broth, which is kosher for Passover, from their Amazon store. It's perfect for soups, meats, veggies, and so much more, and you can get 10% off right now Tabatchnick kosher for Passover classic chicken broth on Amazon at amazon.com/Tabatchnicks. I'll also put the link in the description for you guys. Thank you so much to Tabatchnick for sponsoring this video. You need lemon, cilantro, onion, ginger, the olives, of course. I'm using the green olives. And then these are the spice blends. We've got paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, as well as the chicken, salt, and pepper. And then on the stove top, we've got the Dutch oven, or you can use a braiser. And then I'm going to let the chicken rest here as I go through browning it. All right, let's get started. So that's the ingredients. Really simple, really fresh and delicious. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is brown your chicken in some oil. What's really nice is this is a one pan or one pot meal, one Dutch oven meal, but you do have to braise or brown the chicken first, and that's what gives it that crispy skin. Of course, when I'm cooking chicken, the dog's always right there, but it's an important step, and so yes, don't want to miss that step. Brown the chicken, and then it's time to just put in the spices, stir them up, add in the onions and ginger, and then you're going to go in with the Tabatchnick kosher chicken broth. This recipe uses 2 cups, and it keeps the chicken so moist and juicy and absolutely delicious. And then you're just going to let that simmer on your stovetop for about 20 minutes. Then after that, you're going to open it up, smell the goodness, and then put in your lemon and your cilantro, and you're going to add in your olives, and then everything's going to cook down for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then this is what it looks like when it's ready to eat. It is so good, y'all. Okay, so just showed you guys what it looks like when it's all cooked and ready to eat. Wow. It has so much flavor. The citrus and the lemon, the cilantro comes through, the olives, and of course that really deep, delicious chicken flavor from the broth and the chicken itself. This is such a hit and such a special dish for Passover. Let me know if you guys make it. I'm wishing you a Chag Pesach Sameach a few weeks early. I hope you are enjoying getting your menus ready, and definitely subscribe to my channel to see tons more Passover content coming up. Of course, I have a Haggadah if you guys need one in my Etsy shop, and tons more content to get ready for the holiday. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Check out the Tabatchnick store on Amazon so you can buy their broths, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!